Hello! A bit of a different video for you today. We are in Prague as we speak right now, and we get back, as you see this video, yesterday. So you are not going to have time to do a big polished singing or dancing video. So instead, we're going to give you a bit of highlight of our time here.
Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to get Christmas markets, you're going to get diary vlogs of Prague, you're going to get the lot, you're going to be sick of Prague. But today, we're going to give you a quick overview of what we've done each day. So, starting with day one.
We stayed at the airport hotel, onto Ryanair, super efficient.
It was early into Prague.
Yeah, took off on time, landed early, got ourselves an Uber into town, couldn't check into the hotel because it was so early.
Left our bags there.
Left our bags there. Brilliant location of hotel that you'll see in our diary videos, literally 2 minutes walk to the old square. Then we got ourselves into a Christmas market.
We did indeed, into the main square one, the old square.
So pretty, so pretty. And it wasn't too crowded in the day.
Next up, we did a walking tour. This was brilliant. It was a free walking tour, although you do have to tip. And we ended up paying, what, about £15 each?
Well worth it.
That's what they recommend anyway.
Yeah.
The guy was fantastic. Jeremy, his name was.
Yeah.
And I've forgotten the name of the company. Pulse, we'll stick it down anyway.
Yeah.
But they were brilliant. It was full of knowledge. It was meant to be 2.5 hours. It was best part of 3 hours in the end.
Yeah. And it wasn't all history. Some of it was like legend. Some of it was medieval history, just city legends and stuff. It was brilliant.
It was really,
and
really
we
good.
really learnt the city as we went. So well worth doing that. We then checked into the hotel. It's a gorgeous old building.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. If you want luxury and stuff, it's not the hotel for you.
And a modern day bedroom.
Yeah, it's not the hotel for you. It's massive, our bedroom.
It
I mean,
is.
we can both like roll over on the floor numerous times. But
we do.
It's just got so much character, and it's in the old town, and it's so close to Christmas markets.
And there's a fantastic bar in the same bit, isn't there, called the Fat Cat Bar?
Fat Cat is brilliant.
Fantastic.
We went to the Christmas markets again. It was too busy for me at night, far too busy for me at night. But then we went across to Wenceslas Market, which is nowhere near as pretty, nowhere near as atmospheric, but still all right. It was nice.
You quite liked it, there were less people.
It was less people, so I had a better time. But when we did come back and the main one had emptied and it had rained a bit and the floor was wet, it was beautiful.
Lovely.
Yeah.
We had some good food. We went to an Italian. I had some spaghetti.
I had some tagliatelle and it was really nice. A couple of glasses of red wine. It was delicious. We did have a sausage in the market earlier on.
We had a sausage in the market, yeah. And then we finished the night off in the backyard bar, somewhere we went years ago. It was great. Loved it. Cheap beer. Really, really good.
Prices were half what they were literally 50 steps away near the square, so highly recommend that. We will show you some more clips now, and then we had to get to bed because it's going to be day 2.
Day 2, and what did we get up to?
Day 2 was the day of many steps.
Lots of steps. I think we notched up about 27,000 steps each.
There was a lot of steps. Didn't help we got lost trying to find the cathedral straight off. We thought we knew the way, didn't have to follow maps, didn't arrive there. But we saw some lovely stuff. We saw all around the back streets of the palace. It's like a huge palace complex, really, isn't it? Up on a rock. But really beautiful.
Interestingly, though, there was no Christmas market there this year.
No.
When we came in Easter a few years back, there was a whole Easter market there. And they have had Christmas markets up there, but apparently this year there isn't.
No, for a few years now, apparently. I think COVID saw it off. Anyway, well worth going into that complex. Absolutely beautiful, wasn't it? The cathedral, I think, is probably the most stunning.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
The basilica was lovely as well, and the palace was lovely. Probably my most disappointing was Golden Lane.
Yeah, we've been there before, haven't we?
I saw a picture of it in a book, and when you see it photographed properly, especially with snow on it, it just looks beautiful,
stunning.
Idyllic. But if you shove like 2,000 tourists in it, or 2,000, that's a bit harsh, 200 tourists in it.
A lot.
It just felt a bit packed. The houses are small. So, yeah, that was probably my most disappointing part.
I know what you mean.
Of yesterday.
I know what you mean.
Next up, we wanted to go and climb the...
Plentin?
No.
Is it called Plentin?
Petrin?
Petrin.
A tower.
The tower. The thing that looks like the Eiffel Tower.
But of course, the direct path to get there was closed, so we had to find a new route. So we walked
more steps.
Even more, but we got there. Because that path was closed, it was quieter. And we chose to walk up, as you will see in our diary video. But wow, the views from up there.
Beautiful, aren't they?
300 steps up and down.
And 360-degree views.
But absolutely beautiful. We then came down through Petrin Gardens, which is not much to see in the winter, back into town, found a gorgeous little bar, didn't we, for a beer?
We had a beer in a lovely, lovely little bar. Yeah,
some good prices in the bars.
I'll tell you what, a beer and a wine out of town, just in normal bars, you're looking at £2-3 for a pint. Or...
Yeah, £6 total for the two of them together.
Yeah.
Really, really good
Not
prices.
bad at all.
And then we walked back into town again. I think we said yesterday, if we'd have come back to the room, we wouldn't have gone out again. So we stayed out, went and had our tea out, and then we went up the clock tower, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
The clock tower, that was really lovely.
There's some lovely views of the market, didn't we?
Spoiler alert.
Go on.
We took the lift up that one.
We did take the lift. We've done enough steps yesterday.
Yeah, but you could see all over the
Keep
Christmas
saying
market.
yesterday, as you can kind of guess, we're filming these bits like today, we're talking about yesterday, and so on and so forth.
But you had some good views over the market, had another good look around the market, and then took a glass of wine to bed. We were shattered.
We were in bed by what, 8:30?
No, it wasn't 8:30. It was 9:30.
It was 8:30.
We were back home maybe.
We
by
were in
9:15.
the room by 8:30.
But we're shattered. Absolutely shattered.
Went to our favourite bar, didn't we?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Backyard.
Backyard bar.
Really, really good.
Had a good chat with the guy there.
Yeah, but all in all, a really, really good day.
And we're loving it.
Yeah, we've put some clips over the top. Let's put a few little clips in now of what we've done.
And then we'll get back to what we've done today,
Tomorrow.
yesterday, tomorrow.
Anyway.
Day 3.
Roll on, day 3. Our legs were aching after all that walking yesterday, so today we aced the metro.
Didn't we?
It was really good value. We got a day pass, £4 something
Worked
each.
out about £4.50 for 24 hours.
24 hours, and you stamp it as you start using the metro, and that's it then, 24 hours it's valid for. And it was easy to use, super easy to use. We went to Namesti Miru,
Oh, it was lovely, that
a
one.
little local Christmas market. We both fell in love with that one straight away and decided we were going back in the night, didn't we? Which we did. We walked around to another one I can't remember the name of now.
No,
I learnt it yesterday. And then we trained it to Republic. That was another market. It was a day of Christmas market.
Yeah, it was a bit outside, it was kind of a two-part market.
Yeah.
One outside a shopping centre,
Yeah.
and one outside the Communist Museum.
Yeah, or Communism Museum.
Yeah.
But it was really, really sweet. So then we decided we found that we were quite close to where we actually live.
We ended up next to the Powder Tower.
Powder Tower.
The Powder Tower.
Can't say that. And then we walked back into town from there.
And then the best bit, we ended up in the bar, which was the place that served the first ever pint of Pilsner Urquell back in 18-something.
It's really cool. Yeah, on our tour, Jeremy had said that the beer was so bad in Czech, they brought in a master brewer from Bavaria to make beer. He said the water was the best he found, and
Like
that's how it
German
came about. And we had proper Czech food for lunch.
It was really nice. Beef thing in a creamy sort. Very nice
Yeah,
indeed.
really, really interesting. Not what we eat at home at all.
Dumplings.
Then we visited the market a little bit more and bought some gifts for people at home.
And for us.
And for us as well. Had a little regroup, and then back we went on the metro to the Namesti Miru market at night.
We want to see it at night.
Oh,
They're cute.
Carol singers singing
On the
Silent
steps of
Night.
the church, yeah, it was lovely.
Really, really beautiful and gorgeous.
And then we came back into town and we found ourselves in another pub because our feet were sore again. And we were going to do a boat tour, but it was getting really misty, so we decided not to. But whilst in the pub, we thought, why don't we do a later one of the bigger ones? And that's what we did.
The light was beautiful.
It was magical. Couldn't see a thing.
Well, we could. The lights off the bridge on the water, you couldn't see the stuff up the mountains.
It was quite funny because the running commentary was saying, yeah, and up there, up on the hill, there's the palace. Is it?
Is it?
I can't see it.
But no, it was really lovely. And then we finished the night, as we always do, in the backyard pub next door to our hotel.
Yeah.
And it's lovely. So we'll show you a few more clips of day 3 now, and then we will see you back home to tell you about day 4, because we will be travelling home, but there's still things to see. So join us then.
And just like that, we're back home.
And didn't we have a lovely time?
Really did.
Yeah, today has been, it's a travel day, isn't it? So even though we had a bit of time this morning...
We're always a bit antsy aren't we, in the morning. We knew we had a couple of hours, but we were a bit antsy, you know, thinking about when we needed to go to the airport.
Would there be an Uber available and all that sort of... Anyway, we went down to the farmer's market along the banks of the river. It's there every Saturday from sometime in February through December.
Something like that.
So it's a locals market, loads of different foods.
It was really good. I'm really glad we went.
Yeah, really, really nice. Good long walk. It took us about 25 minutes to walk it there.
I think it was a little longer than
Yeah.
that, and then we spent, half an hour down there. So it was best part of a couple of hours,
Then we
wasn't it?
walked up the bank, back in again, finally got into, we're going to call it the Adam and Eve Church.
I got the Dick and Dom Church.
Yeah, because that's what the towers are called. Finally got
Adam
in.
and Eve, not Dick and Dom.
No, had a little look around. That was sweet, but we couldn't film anything in there.
You weren't allowed to. I did a little bit of stealth recording. I think I haven't checked the footage yet, so I don't know.
Tutted.
Oh, I got
Then we went back into the markets for one last time. Do you know what? Every day we've been there, it's got noticeably busier.
because today is Saturday. We obviously came back today.
Yeah.
And we went on, what day did we go? We went
Wednesday.
on Wednesday. And yeah, every day has been more people.
As it comes to the weekend, it gets progressively busier.
Yeah.
But a great time, have absolutely loved it. And next week, you'll start to see our adventures in full. So what's up next week?
So next week we're going to have, there are about 5 or 6 different Christmas markets, all completely different. So we're going to compare all of them and tell you which we thought was our favourite. You may be surprised.
Yeah, so that's that video. The week after that, we are then going to do our diary vlog of our actual time and adventures.
So all this rubbish again, but really strung out.
But no, much less Christmas markets and more other stuff that we did. And we had quite a few funny moments as well along. We did along the way. And then that's us all done for Prague.
For now.
For now. And then sometime next year, we're going to do a sort of things to do in Prague and little sort of hints and tips for using the metro. Just things to help you out if you're going.
We learned a lot, didn't we?
We did learn an
And I
awful
think we've
lot.
got a lot of tips we could probably share.
Yeah.
If you're thinking of going to Prague.
Right, so thanks for bearing with this slightly different video. If you'd like this video, that'd be great.
If you'd hit the button, if you do the subscribe thing, have you been to Prague, all of that. We haven't got a Christmas question today.
We haven't.
We're still doing these Vlogmas things, by the way.
Yeah.
Why, I don't know, but we are.
The Christmas question will have happened this morning on the Vlogmas.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, as we say...
In Postcard and the Pint, cheers to the good times. What do you call a man who claps at Christmas?
I don't know.
Santa Claus!
Ah.